and welcome back to Hello Hi for another great recipe. Now, I know it's been a minute and I've been slacking on the recipes, but trust me, I have been working on some new products for the Hello Hi store. So I can't wait for you guys to see those new products, and they should be coming out pretty soon in the next couple months. But today I'm showing you how to make red velvet Oreo cookie chocolate chip brownies. Yes, all three in one. And this recipe is so good. You get all three in one, a cookie and a brownie. So I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. It's really quick and really simple. Now, you know, I make all of my infusions in the Hello Hi Ultra Infuser. And today I used infused oil that I made in the Hello Hi Ultra Infuser. Now, you can get this on Amazon.com, or you can get this on the Hello Hi Cooks website. You can use Hello 420 only on the Hello Hi Cooks website, and it will save you 20% off for a limited time. So again, that code is Hello 420 on the Hello Hi Cooks website. Now, if you're ready to make some red velvet chocolate chip Oreo cookie brownies, let's get started. Now for this recipe, you'll need Betty Crocker red velvet cake box mix, eggs, white chocolate wafers, Oreo cookies, milk or water, chocolate chip cookie dough, that good oil, and parchment or wax paper. Start by turning your oven on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for this recipe, I'm using chocolate chip cookie dough. You can find this at the supermarket in the cold section. Now line your baking pan with parchment paper so nothing sticks, and I like to cut the paper with scissors so it fits nice and neat. Now squeeze the entire roll of cookie dough onto the pan. Don't be shy because we're using all of it. Now take a spatula and spread the dough evenly all the way to the edges of the pan. Now I'm using a spatula from the Hello Hi 4-piece silicone spatula set, and I'll leave a link to it below. And then once you're done, your pan should look like this. Next up is the Oreo cookie layer, aka the easiest step of the whole recipe. So just place a row of Oreo cookies right on top of the cookie dough until the pan is filled. Now I use 24 cookies for this size pan, and I think this pan is like a 9 by 12. So you don't need to cover every single inch. Those little gaps you see are totally fine. For the red velvet cake layer, I'm using Betty Crocker Super Moist Red Velvet Cake Mix. Now in a large bowl, add all of the cake mix, then 2 small eggs, 1 cup of milk or water, and then stir until everything is combined. Now I like using milk in my box cakes mix because I've convinced myself it makes the cake taste richer. And honestly, I'm sticking with that story, so use milk instead of water. Now, once that batter is mixed, add a half a cup of that good oil and mix it again until it's smooth. Now, for this recipe, I infuse vegetable oil in the Ultra Infuser for about an hour and a half. For the white chocolate wafers, I crumbled most of them into different size pieces. Now you can totally use white chocolate morsels if you cannot find the wafers. Now I reserved about a quarter cup of the wafers whole, then stirred everything into the cake mix until it was all mixed in. Now it's time to pour that delicious red velvet cake mix right over those Oreo and cookie dough layers, making sure everything is completely covered. Then give the pan a little shake or tap it on the counter to help the batter settle into an even layer. Then bake it in the oven for about 40 minutes. Remember, on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now once it's done, let it cool on top of the oven for about 15 minutes before cutting so everything can settle nicely. And don't forget to pick up a pair of these silicone Hello Hi oven mitts, and I will make sure I leave the link for these below. Now I'm going to cut a few squares to show y'all how this brownie cake cookie is looking in the inside. And okay, that cake is looking moist, and you can see the Oreo cookie and the chocolate chip at the bottom. Now the cookie dough is baked just right. It's not too soft and it's not too crunchy. It's the perfect brownie texture. Now finish cutting those squares, plate them, and you have red velvet, Oreo, chocolate chip cookie bars. Enjoy. Hey you guys, thank you for sticking to the end of the video. And you already know I'm about to try these brownies for y'all. So hold on and let me tell y'all, do you see how many brownies this recipe made? So yes, girl, you're going to have a lot for your friends. But let me show you how these came out. Oh my gosh, there we go. Do y'all see those brownies? You can see the Oreo cookie. You can see the chocolate chip cookie and then the red velvet on top. And I made a few of these. Now, here's another one. You have all three of those layers. Now, let me try one. These are so good. Now, oh my gosh. I can't even get it out. It tastes so good. Now, when you first bite into it, you get that nice softness of the red velvet. And then I can taste the cookie. And the cookie still has the crunch from the Oreo cookie. And then it's like, then you get to the cookie part of the chocolate chip. And then all of it combined. Oh my God, this is such a good treat. You guys, who coming over here to get some of these brownies? These are so good. Oh my goodness. Okay. Send me a message if you want some of these brownies. And I'll mail you some in the mail. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not mailing anybody any brownies. But please, drop your comments below. Let me know if you made these brownies. Because they are so good. Before I leave you guys, I just want to let you know if there are videos that you cannot see on my channel, you have to access them on Patreon. I had to blur a lot of the videos, my previous videos, out for YouTube. I'm so sorry, you guys, for having to do that. But you can still access the videos on Patreon. You can pay a small subscription and it will last you for a year. If you have the HelloHigh Ultra Infuser, your subscription to Patreon is free. So just email info@HelloHighCooks.com and I'll leave that information below. If you already have a HelloHigh Ultra Infuser, your subscription to our Patreon is free. And I cannot wait to see you guys on Patreon and to experience more of my recipes. And I will see you guys on the next video.